Hello, everyone. My name is Ángel Santiago, and I'm a fourth year grad student in chemical engineering. My topic here is approaching the research with a job mindset. And basically, I want to compare what is a student mindset versus the job one. And I'm going to use my personal experience for that. So here is a typical schedule in undergrad where I had the student mindset. And know that I put like the commas of the schedule because actually it wasn't a schedule. It was just like going with whatever I had in the day. And it basically consisted of sleeping until my class, going to class, taking a nap for recovery, and then just drive it down by studying or doing homeworks um, until 1, 2 a.m., and then going back to sleep as much as I can. And as you can see here, I didn't make any time for gym, hobbies, or taking care of myself. And it kind of worked for my goals because I had a deadline and you have a finish line. So you can, once you're done with the homeworks, exams, that's it, that's good. Also, you have the summer break, the winter break, and after 4 years, you're done. But this is not efficient. And believe me, when you go to grad student, this is not, or grad school is not sustainable. So what you want to do is create a mindset of a job mindset. And that the main thing here is that you block one time, a large time during the day, basically between 8 or 9 a.m. to the night, 6, 7 p.m. And then during that time, you're going to do all your research related jobs. So reading, writing, going to the lab. And then around that, you can put your, for example, I have my gym here, I have Netflix, and then also sleeping 6, 7 to 8 hours. And the main thing why you want to do this is because research never finishes. There's not a finish line here. There's always a new question to answer, another paper to read. So it is not good to be all the time trying to do finishing something because you're always going to have something new to work on. And the idea is to set this schedule and then be efficient as possible during this time frame that you have allocated for your research part. And this allows you also to schedule other things that will benefit you, like exercise or social activities. The only thing I want to note is that you're still a student, so there are gonna be some days or weeks that maybe you're gonna have this time frame is gonna go. Maybe you're gonna increase it, or maybe it's gonna shift a little bit. But aside from that, you just want to get back on it as soon as possible, because again, it's gonna be hard to sustain the undergrad or the student mindset on grad school. So yeah, in summary, you don't want to be doing this in which you're all over the place and just driving until the finish. You want to just block a time all the days and then just stick to that and be as efficient as possible during that part. All right. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you.